What if I told you there is an animal that can survive almost anything?
It can survive freezing, boiling, radiation, and even the vacuum of space!
Scientists call it a tardigrade, but many people know it as the water bear.
But don't worry, it is completely harmless to humans.
In fact, it is one of the smallest animals you will ever see.
Most tardigrades are smaller than 1 millimeter.
You could fit several of them on the tip of a pencil. So where do these incredible little creatures actually live?
Believe it or not, they live almost everywhere on Earth. You can find them in moss, wet soil, ponds, rivers, and even on rooftops.
Most people walk past them every day without ever noticing them.
Without a microscope, they are almost impossible to see.
Under a microscope, they look like tiny walking bears with 8 little legs.
Those tiny claws help them grab onto plants and tiny surfaces. They feed on tiny plants, algae, bacteria, and other microscopic life. But what makes them truly famous is something even more incredible.
When conditions become too dangerous, the tardigrade has an incredible survival trick. Instead of fighting the environment, it almost shuts its body down completely.
Scientists call this amazing survival state the ton.
In this state, it loses almost all the water inside its body.
Its metabolism slows down until it is almost impossible to measure.
It can stay like this for years, waiting for better conditions. Then, with just a little water, it slowly comes back to life. It's almost like watching an animal come back from the dead.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But that's not the end of the story. Tardigrades have even survived outer space.
In 2007, scientists sent tardigrades into space to test their limits.
The animals were exposed to the vacuum of space and powerful cosmic radiation. Most living things would die almost instantly, but many tardigrades survived.
Their secret is protecting their cells before serious damage can happen.
Special proteins help protect their DNA from breaking apart.
Scientists hope these discoveries could one day help protect human cells too. A creature smaller than a grain of sand might help shape the future of medicine and space travel. But don't think tardigrades are completely indestructible.
They still need the right conditions to grow, eat, and reproduce.
Without water, they cannot stay active forever.
Even the toughest survivor has its limits.
Scientists are still discovering new species of tardigrades today.
There are more than 1,000 known species, and scientists continue finding more.
Tiny creatures often teach us the biggest lessons about life. Sometimes the strongest survivor is also the smallest one. The next time you see a patch of moss, remember, you might be standing above thousands of tiny survivors.
They've survived disasters that wiped out countless other living things.
And scientists are still learning from these incredible microscopic animals.
Who knows? One day, their secrets might even help humans survive deep space missions.
All from a creature smaller than a grain of sand. Nature is full of amazing surprises if we take the time to look closely. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible water bear, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, even the tiniest creatures can teach us the biggest lessons. See you in the next video.